Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing all the flipporamas now in full color, Captain Underpants, and the perilous plot of Professor Poopypants, which is the fourth epic novel by Dave Pilkey. Alright, let's get started. Here at the first flipporama, we can see Professor Poopypants packed a powerful punch. But the head button hero halted the horror. The brief wherein Bandit battled the Bonic Behemoth. The waistband warrior won the war. So, that was all the flipporamas in Captain Underpants. I hope you enjoyed this book. Flipporama. I hope you enjoyed the flipporamas, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!